My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are quite well. Currently, we are doing the FSC Mathematics Part 1 and we are doing chapter number 6, Sequence and Series. And I am doing only its short questions which appeared in the last year's board paper. So, I am doing question number 1 of today. And if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and tell the others to subscribe it as well. So the first question of today's lecture is find the 13th term of this series x 12 minus x and 3 minus x. Okay, so this will be, it is 1 minus x rather. So 1, 2 minus x like that. Right. So given, because this is misprinting in the question, so the solution is series is x, 1, 1 minus x, okay, and so on. We have to find the 13th term. Right, okay. So this implies d equals to 1 minus x. So a equals to x, d equals to 1 minus x, and n is equal to 13. Therefore, an equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So a is x plus x plus 13 minus 1. This is the value of d. And n, sorry, 13 minus 1, and d's value is 1 minus x. So it is equals to x plus 13 minus 12 times 1 minus x equals to x plus 12 minus x, 12x. So it is equals to 12 minus 11x. This is the 13th term. I hope you understand it well. Come to the next, which term of the AP? Second question. Which term of AP is okay, 5 to minus 1 minus 85. Right. Okay. So that's the solution of this question is, so given AP is, AP is given 5 to minus 1, so on. Now D A equals to 5 and D equals to 2 minus 5 equals to 3 equals to minus 3. And AN equals to minus 85. So therefore, we know AN equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. This is equals to minus 85. What is the value of A? A is 5 plus minus 1 minus n minus 1, n is 3, sorry, minus, n minus 1 times minus 3. So they take to that side, that will become minus 85 minus 5 equals to minus 3n plus 3. So this is equals to minus 90 plus minus 3 equals to minus 3n. So 3n equals to 93 and n equals to 93 divided by 3 equals to 31. So the final answer is minus 85 is the 31st term of AP. Right. Come to the next question. Question number 3. Right. Which term of AP minus 2, 4, then 10, so on, is 148? Right? So the same question with different values. So AP given is 2, 4, 10, so on. So here A equals to 2 minus 2 and D equals to 4 minus 2 is equals to 6 and AN equals to 148. Now using the formula AN equals to A plus N minus 1 times D and putting the values implies 148 equals to A is minus 2 plus N minus 1 and D's value is 6. Take this to that side. So 148 plus 2 equals to 6n minus 6 implies 6n equals to 150 plus 6. So 6n equals to 156 and n equals to 156 over 6, which is equals to 26. Right? So 148 is the 26th term of AP, the given AP, right? Now come to the next, number 4. Find the number of terms, okay, in the AP, the same question, okay. Find n. Right, now we have to find the value of n, in which A1 is 11. The first term is 11. And AN is 68. And the value of D is 3. So we know that AN equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. Using the values, A is equal to 11, AN equals to 68, and D equals to 3. We have 68 equals to 11 plus n minus 1 times d's value is 3. Implies 68 minus 11 equals to 3n minus 3. Right, okay. So this will become 57 and plus 3 equals to 3n. So 3n equals to 60 and n equals to 60 over 3, which is equals to 20. So there are 20 terms in this AP, right? Come to the next question now. Question number 5. So if AB 1 over C A, no, just wait, let me write it correctly. 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C are in AP, then show that B equals to 2AC divided by A plus C. Now A of 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C are in AP, then A3 minus A2 equals to A2 minus A1 equals to D, right? So 1 over B minus 1 over A equals to 1 over C minus 1 over B. Collect 1 over B one side, okay? So we have 1 over B plus 1 over B equals to 1 over A plus 1 over C, right? So now on the left hand side, we have 2 over B equals to, on the right hand side, we have AC, the LCM, and A plus C. Now just taking the reciprocal, okay? Reciprocal. So on the left hand side, it will be B over 2 equals to AC over A plus C. This implies B equals to 2AC over A plus C. Right. Henceforth. So this question is also solved. If you did not understand it well, then you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Now the next question, the question number 6 is find arithmetic progression, find the AP if or if an equals to 3n minus 1. Very easy question. And this question is asked in the previous boards for more than 6 times. Okay, now an equals to 3n minus 1. So for n equals to 1, a1 equals to 3 minus 1 equals to 2. for n is equal to 2. So 8, 2 equals to 3 to the 6 minus 1 equals to 5. For n is equal to 3, right? So 8, 3 equals to 3, 3 is a 9, minus 1 is 8. For n equals to 4, A4 equals to 4, 3 is a 12, minus 1 is equal to 11. We have to calculate at least 3 values, okay? So the AP is, therefore, the required AP is 2, 5, 8, 11 till 3n minus 1, right? So this concludes our or finished our today's lesson. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for your patience. And thank you very much for sharing my videos and subscribing my channel. Please subscribe it if you did not subscribe it yet. So thank you very much for watching it. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you very much for everything. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर हो.